China's sixth-generation aircraft shocked the world, and the seventh-generation aircraft technology broke through the sixth-generation aircraft. Core advantages: stealth performance, tailless wing, delta wing design. Radar reflection area is less than A4 paper, far surpassing the US F-35 superpower. Mach engine. Support 30,000 meters high altitude Mach 6 cruise. Cutting-edge detection. Taihz radar. Detection range of over 500 kilometers. Can identify the details of warships on the opposite side of the Taiwan Strait. AI cluster operation. Can command 20 drones to coordinate for 10 minutes to simulate the destruction of air defense rate. Seventh-generation aircraft maiden flight milestone. May 27, 2025, code-named Xuanqiong Aerospace fighter made its maiden flight. Using hydrogen and oxygen rotary detonation engine. Transatmospheric capability. Target speed of Mach 16, 30 minutes global strike. Can be orbited to perform anti-satellite missions. Technical standstill. Every similar project is stalled due to technical bottlenecks. Xuanqiong has been ahead for more than 5 years. International influence and the dilemma of the US side. US media admitted that it is 4 years behind the sixth-generation aircraft, and the technology gap of the seventh-generation aircraft continues to widen. The US military's budget is in a dilemma. The sixth-generation aircraft project in 2025 is only $350 billion, and the Navy's FA project is underfunded to build aircraft service.